Welcome. My name is Amy and I'm the digital presenter of Ethical Clinical Software and Services. In this presentation I will describe what a composite event adjudication package is, and how the ethical platform for clinical endpoint adjudication supports its creation or update. So now let's start. The Adjudication Committee members are kept blinded to the trial data and protocol to avoid any external influence or bias in their decisions. But to express their assessment, these expert clinicians need instead a clear picture of the outcome to be adjudicated. In fact, as soon as a potential endpoint is detected, an event package, including all the relevant medical records, must be assembled by the adjudication staff. This is usually made by transferring all these documents and data from the trial databases, where they are collected, to the endpoint adjudication software environment. These data management operations, that must be carefully detailed in the adjudication charter, are more or less complex depending on the kind of data required, on the number and location of the originating systems, and also on the number of external service providers involved. In the most favorable landscape, all the information required in the adjudication package are available in a single database like an EDC, a CTMS, an adverse event database, or a PACS imaging system. This scenario requires only the formatting of the data in a medium easy to be read by the reviewers, for example PDF case report summary, or in providing them with a viewer tool for medical images. Also, the update and resubmission of the package, following a change in the patient's medical records, can usually be handled without big issues. But when the assessment requires a composite event package, made of documents, key variables, images, lab results that originate from different systems, the work of the adjudication coordinators and data managers becomes much more complex. Technically, in these cases, the adjudication events repository configures as an information hub, with different flows of data that must converge, each one with its different structures, timelines, and communication protocols. Ethical eAdjudication supports 3 different methods for assembling and updating the medical records in a composite event package. They can be combined and sequenced as needed to build and update the same event in the system. Through simple uploads. Interactive upload to the cloud system of multiple documents, for example PDF, Excel, text, images, XML, etc. Through interactive data entry. Interactive data entry of key variables and narratives through system web forms with custom edit checks set in the electronic data capture. Through automated direct integration with the external source systems like EDC, CTMS, adverse event databases or PACS, made by using the eAdjudication Integration API and web services for creating new events, to add and update documents and key variables. Once an event package is initialized in the eAdjudication repository, it's immediately visible for the staff. It can be reviewed, modified and validated for completeness, also through a custom event template, before the actual submission to the Endpoint Committee. Thank you. For more information and free demo, please go to www.ethical.ch.